Once again, you are welcome to Akwa-ibom State. It is with great pleasure that I introduce you to a creative and productive Nigeria, whose invention and innovation is driven by solution technologies that will be more beneficial to persons in agriculture, education, waste management, and business in general. Let me link you up to Nelfort Usoro, the Managing Director of Nelfort Industrial Services, an indigenous entrepreneur whose contribution in welding and fabrication cannot be overemphasized. He successfully fabricated machines that convert waste paper, better still, old newspapers, into pencil. He is a resident incubatee at Technology Incubation Center Uyo under National Board for Technology Incubation, South-South Zone E. Hello, Nesfor.
Hello, welcome to Nelfort Industrial Services, Unit 5 Technology Incubation Center. My name is Nelson Debolosoro, the CEO. We are into the design and fabrication of agricultural, food processing, and other allied machines. As a matter of fact, we have over 60 different machines spread over 5 value chains. So here in our unit, we have over 15 staff working for us, and here is just 7 of them who are currently here today. Quite a handful of them are at different locations handling various installation works. So we will be looking at some of the machines that we have. Here is a grater, a stainless steel grater for cassava production. We have also for a palm kernel expeller machine that have been problematic for the Nigerian market because every other company had to import these machines. We are the first to produce a 10-ton palm kernel expeller machine locally here in Nigeria. We have a series of other machines like what we have here, the fish dryer that we pioneered in 2012. So far we have developed the fish smoking clean such that you can also use it as an oven to bake. It's the first of its kind where you have a dual purpose, a dryer and an oven incorporated in one machine. Then we have a steam boiler for our palm oil processing, and also there we have a thresher where you can separate your nuts from your bunch within a few minutes. We also see here a pelletizing machine that we have also designed here in the center. This is another flagship product, a stainless steel mixer that we have done for various processors, people who are into various things like yogurt production and so on and so forth. The next we have here is a component of a flatbed dryer. This is our blower fan that is 100% done right here in the center. And another one here is the expeller, the high tonnage expeller that we have done, right here. Now, there are 2 things that we have done within the last 2 years, which has become our flagship project. They look small, but they are actually, one of the best things that we have done so far. This is a vegetable cutter, and it was designed specifically to cut what we call afang. Some people call it okazi and so on. Now we are doing this so that the people at the market can use the machine to cut their okazi large volume within the shortest possible time. This machine can cut about 2 bags of okazi or afang within 30 minutes. We also have another machine that we had designed last year for pencil production. As a matter of fact, the Akwa-ibom State pencil production factory is using our machines. They imported 3 machines, we produce only 1. And one of our machines is producing 3 times what the 3 machines they brought in is producing. Our one is far more efficient to produce 22,000 pencils in 1 day, whereas the ones imported from China could do 15,000 pencils in 1 day. Alright, what you are seeing here is our brand new designed and constructed pencil rolling machine. You see, this machine produces a pencil from old newspapers, and you have your graphite lead inside. You can see there is a gum adhesive that is used to hold the graphite and the lead together. Now what we will be seeing here is a new machine. We've compared this with what exists outside the country, and decided to do something that is a lot better and faster. The machine you are seeing here produces about 45 pencils per minute. You can calculate from there how many you are going to produce in an 8-hour shift or 16 or 24-hour shift. You can get as much as 24 to 26,000 pencils in an 8-hour shift. So let's put on the machine and then let's see what we have. So you have the machine is fed there with the papers. You see how fast it is taking each of the papers, rolling very well. See the papers are rolling in, and here you can simply see the rolled pencils coming out from the machine. Here you can have as many pencils as possible. This is a new technology, and as you might want to guess, I'll tell you who we are selling the first made in Akwa-ibom, made in Nigeria pencil production machine to. Your guess is as good as mine. You can be sure that there is one state that is at the front line of pencil production, and when it comes to other industries where Nigeria had not seen seen a lot of patronage from. Now like you were guessing, or like we're talking about, this machine we are fabricating this for Dakada Industries. That is the frontline industry for Akwa-ibom State government, and our company is Nelfort Industrial Services. We are one of the frontline companies when it comes to fabrication of agricultural, food processing, and other machines that you may think of. You can see a wide range of machines there. And